and complete the following table. Copy and complete the following what? For multiplication modulo 11. For multiplication modulo 11. For multiplication modulo 11. For multiplication modulo what? You say, remember what will happen. This is a Y question, modulo 11. So a table was given to us. I want you to copy the table. They say copy and complete. So copy the table. We have 1, 5, 9, 10. Those are the elements given. Here was 10, 9. Here is 5, 1, 5, 9, 10. You see? So if you look at the table, we have 6 boxes, what? Empty. 6 boxes, what? Empty. So if we have 6 boxes empty, common sense will tell you that for the 6 boxes, maybe what? Half marks or 1 what? Mark. If it is 1 1, if it is 1 for 2, 1 for 2. So if it is half, yes, half, it gives you how many marks? 3 marks. It gives you how many marks? 3 marks. So for completing the table, you have how many marks? 3 marks. You have 3 marks. Let's go down. Question B. Question B. Are we in B? Use the table to then you put column there, move down to I evaluate. Then you put evaluate, bracket open 9, operation multiplication 5, bracket close, operation multiplication, bracket open 10, operation multiplication what? 10. Semicolon there. We go down to I. Find the what? Find the truth what? Set of. Then I go down to what? To capital what? Roman figure 1. I have 10. Operation multiplication n equals to 2. Then I have what? N operation n equals to 4. Did you see that? So we are going to solve it. What is a modular class? 11 is a what? Is a modular class. So if I am to solve this problem, I go down to question A. I write my solution. Don't forget. Now I go to A. If I go to A, what do? I draw another word. I don't complete it from the question. I draw another word. Now, what is my modular class? What is my modular class? Equivalent class? Continue? Yes? Wonderful. Yes? Wonderful. We are moving. And again? Yes? 110. Do you see that? If you can generate this, we have no problems. Here is the main point, which we are going to be working with. Let's see, class. Let's continue. 1 times 1 is 1. But don't forget, what am I writing? Mod 11 what? Excuse me. Multiplication what? So that is what we have. 1 times 1 gives you who? 1 times 5, 1 times 9, 1 times 10. They are not up to the modular what? Class. So you put them like that. 5 times 1 is who? 5 times 5. 25. Look at 25 here. So what is the difference between 25 and the equivalent class in front of it. So you bring your 3 here. Is it good? Yes. So 5 times 9. 45. Look at 45 here. What is my answer? 1. The difference between 45 and 44. You bring your 1. 5 times 10. 50. Look at 50 here. I will not subtract 50 and 55. No. We are going backward. So what is the difference? 6. I bring 6. The surplus there. Now, 9 times 1 is something as 1 times 9. So that is 9. 9 times 5 is something as 5 times what? 9. What is my answer? 1. Because it is a circle. The circle keep repeating what? Itself. Now, 9 times 9 is who? 81. Look at where I'm putting 81 here. So I'll get the difference between 81 and what? 77. What is my difference? 4. It is 4. 9 times 10 is what? 90. Look at where I'm putting 90 here. What is my difference? 2. It is 2. 10 times 1 is something as 1 times 10. It is 10. 9 times 5 is something as 5 times 10. Which is who? 6. Which is 6. Now, 10 times 9 is something as 9 times 10. What is my answer? 2. 10 times 10. 100. Come here. This is 100. What is the surplus? 1. You bring your 1. You are guaranteed of how many marks? 3 marks. 3 marks. For completing the table. We are through with that. We go down to B. We go down to B. Let me take B of I. They told us to evaluate. What do you write first? You say from where? From table. 9. Operation multiplication 5. Bracket open and close. Operation multiplication bracket open. 10. Operation multiplication 10. Will give us 9. Operation multiplication 5 gave us who? 1. You bring your 1. Then operation multiplication 10 operation 10 gave us what? 1. And 1 operation 1 is who? 1. Is 1. Then we go down to question what? B what? But BII of Roman figure what? We have what? Now, what we are going to do is to bring down this value first. Note the difference between solving this and solving a congruence what? Equation. Okay, let's see what happens here. We said from where? From table. 10 operation and unknown, which is n, will give us 2. Now you go to 10. The column with 10. Then you operate it with the row that will give us a value of 2. 10 operation who? 9. You see? 10 operation multiplication what? 9. Is 2. So it implies that the value of n is who? 9. But will I leave it that way? No. Why? The truth what now? The question did not say find the value of x. They didn't ask you to find what? The value of n. And they didn't ask us to solve. They didn't ask us to solve. They didn't ask us to find the value of n. Rather, they said we should find what now? The true set. So let's see. Therefore, truth what? Set equals to set of values n such that n equals to what? We're good with that. I go down to Roman figure 2. N operation n gives you 4. From where? From table. I will get what? 1 operation 1 is not 4. 5 operation 5 is not 4. 9 operation 9 is what? 4. 10 operation 10 is not 4. So the only what? Column and row that satisfy is 9 operation what? To give us what? 4. Therefore, the what now? Truth what now? is the set of values what? N. N equals to what? Are you with me?